So we got fall hair, fall makeup, the outfit, the fragrance, and even the nails. Okay, we got the whole package getting you ready for fall season. Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today we are coming with a fall get ready with me. If you are interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join all 17,000 of us over here, okay? We lit. Hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that you know anytime I'm posting a new video. Hey, it's time to do our hair. This is gonna be the most interesting part because if you watch my last video, you know that my hair looks like this. I will go ahead and link that video up above, so go ahead and watch that. I got my gloves just in case. I'm not gonna talk too much during this process because I gotta figure out what the heck I'm doing. Okay friends, so we got a bang. This is gonna be out. I'm just stretching a little bit in the back. So now that we're done with our hair, let me clean up my freaking forehead and then we'll come and start on our makeup. Let's go ahead and get into this face. I did want to go ahead and use this new product that I got from Tula Skincare, and it is the 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Treatment Eye Balm. This was sent to me and I thought this would be a good product to incorporate in my little schedule. This is for a little hydration under the eye. That'll be the last product before we go ahead and use our SPF. So even though the seasons are changing, the sun ain't going nowhere, so we still gonna use our SPF, okay? Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the makeup. I don't have a lot of new products that I'm gonna feature. Honestly, I've been using the same old, but we are gonna go for a fall look. So we're gonna definitely do all matte on the eyes, and then we're gonna, of course, give a beautiful chestnut brown lip color, perfect for fall. I felt like using different foundations today, so I do wanna mention that. I'm gonna be going into my NARS foundations. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation in Bahia, and the Soft Matte Foundation in Huahine. I have featured both of these on my channel. I did a review. It was very interesting, okay? So go ahead and watch those. I'll go ahead and link those for you. So if you watch the video, you know that Huahine is clearly too light for me to use on its own, which is why I then go in with Bahia. As you can see, Bahia is really like my color match. But they don't make Bahia in the Soft Matte formulation. Come on, skin. Do y'all see how that's giving me like a not too glowy, but also not too matte? I think this is perfect for fall. I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer because if you watch my initial review video, you know that the Soft Matte Foundation does not mix well with the Fenty concealer. It's fall, so we're transitioning from the oranger blushes to, I'm gonna use this reddish blush from Minted. But speaking of blushes, I'm very excited to see what Name Beauty comes out with. They are launching blushes on the 24th, I believe. I'm definitely interested in those blushes and what they're gonna give us. Ooh, maybe we should not use a highlighter today. Maybe we will let the face speak for itself today. Can y'all believe this is my face without any highlighter? Oh my god, we snapped. Yeah, I'm just gonna go into this eyeshadow palette by Minted again, just because it has some nice browns. Yeah, and we're just gonna do an all matte look. So we are only gonna use things on this bottom row.
Cause I know relax so I the beg oh yeah. Make I know carry last oh. Oh yeah me draw my soon. Eleda me draw my soon. Carry me go where my blessings day. Carry me go where my progress day. Oh yeah me draw my soon. Angel me my soon. Carry me go where my blessings day.
It's giving very 90s supermodel. Okay, come on, Bling Games theme. All right, y'all, we got some lashes on. These are the same lashes I've been wearing in the past couple videos by Name Beauty and Glamazon 1026. They are called Titan. Right now, I'm just lining my lips with the Mented pencil. I don't know if I love the lip, gonna be honest, but I like the rest of the face. Should we see the face hair combo? Next up, we need to do something. I'm gonna put on some earrings, and then I'll also change my clothes. And then we need to get to these nails, which y'all can't see right now, but they look a hot mess. All right, y'all, so we're back and we've added a couple of details to bring together the whole fall look. So I went ahead and put on my cowrie shell earrings. These are from Naturally Nefertiti here on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link her website in the description box, but I absolutely love all of her earrings. I went ahead and put on my little fit. I'll insert some videos so you can see the whole thing, but we are giving a burnt orange moment because, hello, it's fall. Now we need to get into our fall fragrance. I told y'all I've been getting into the fragrances, and I did pick up a fragrance that is perfect for fall, and it is by Kayali. It is their invite only amber. Kayali is basically the fragrance house of Huda Beauty. I believe that her sister actually runs the company. Again, this one is called Invite Only Amber. Is so beautiful. This is an eau de parfum intense, which means there's a higher concentration of fragrance oils than in a regular eau de parfum or a regular perfume, which means you get more lasting power on your fragrance. You get a more potent fragrance. Notes in this one are black cherry, honey de Provence, tobacco leaf, amber resin, and vanilla Madagascar. This smells so unique and so good. I can already smell some of that honey. I'm getting a lot of the tobacco. Highly recommend you smelling it if you haven't already. This is the travel size, which is perfect for me. And I also got the travel size of their vanilla perfume, which I do like to layer with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this for my fall fragrance, and then we're gonna layer with the Kayali vanilla. Talk about intense. Almost like a cologne to me. It gives me cologne vibes. It gives me more masculine vibes. I think I'm getting some of the cherry notes as well. If you need like a new fall scent, a new dark scent, sensual scent, definitely check out the Invite Only Amber by Kayali. We are almost done, y'all. We have our hair, we have our makeup, we have our outfit, we have our fragrance. Last but certainly not least, we need to do something with these nails. I'm gonna insert a couple pictures and videos of what my nails were looking like, and they look a hot mess right now, okay? All right, y'all, so clearly this is the first time I'm ever recording my nail process. I hope to improve, but first you're gonna see me go in with a coat of base gel polish. We're just doing gel polish. I got this set from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it in the description box. And we are gonna go for a brown color scheme. I'm gonna show you what that's looking like on my non-dominant hand, aka my right hand, because I am left-handed, okay? So let me go ahead and coat all my nails. I'm gonna stick my hand in my UV lamp in just a second. Whenever I stick my hand over there, I'm usually curing for 90 seconds, okay? So we're gonna go in with this Beetles gel color, and again, this is a brown color. This came in a set of 6 different browns, and we're just gonna go ahead and do our design, okay? I got this inspo from Instagram, so I'll go ahead and put the inspo pic on the screen, and I'm just recreating it the very best that I can. Again, I apologize for the crappy angles. I will definitely improve, but you can go ahead and give me your feedback in the comment section below. So go ahead and watch me achieve this design. I really like my nails, so let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let me know which brown you like better, because I did a lighter brown on my right hand, a darker brown on my left hand. Let me know which one you like better. y'all, so that is the get ready with me. We are fully transitioning into fall. Let me know what changes you'll be making to your whole beauty routine as fall comes in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I